Okay, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can create a playlist in your YouTube channel. Now let's head to YouTube. When you come to your YouTube, this is how the home page will look like, and you have to access your channel, right? You tap on the profile, you tap on the videos, and I'll now open the videos. Now the videos has loaded up, and I'll be choosing just one video. Let me choose this particular video. I'll click here.
Hey guys, this is
So I don't want the video to make noise, so I'll have to scroll below here. I hope you can see where they said save. I'll click on save, and it will ask me to change. That is because I've created a playlist with this video. I'll now click on change. Save. Okay, so now demand that I can click on new playlist. That is if I want to create a new playlist, or I can decide to change. Now let's just create another playlist. I'll click here, and I can say crypto hack or crypto update, right? Then I will change this to public. Why am I changing it to public? Because I want people to search my playlist and they can have access to my video, because the aim of the playlist is for your video to go even more viral, right? So I'll place it in public, or I can decide to leave it in private, and after uploading I can still go and change it, right? So I'll click on create, right? So I have created a playlist for this particular video, and if I should go back to other videos now, let me look for another video. Okay, let's just use this one. I can open it, and I will scroll here. Okay, this particular video, okay, I'll click on save, and I will click on change. That is, I want to change it from, because I already have this, the playlist name is crypto update, so I can now decide to change it to either to make money, or these are my playlist, or I can decide to change it to this particular one. I hope you can see. So I can decide to change it to any of these playlists, right? So that is it for it. Now I still want to show you something, in case you are wondering if your playlist is in private or in public. This is what you will do. You will come here and click on your profile, then you click on playlist. I hope you can see your playlist here. Then when you click on your playlist, these are the list of playlists you have. You can see the first one, the crypto update, the make money online, and the rigid body. So you can check if any of your playlist is in private or in public. Okay, you see, I'll click on edit. So when I click on edit, I hope you can see it is in public, right? So I'll now go back. Let's check for the second one. I'll click on the second one, then I'll click on edit, and I hope you can see this one is also in public. So this is how you verify if your if your video playlist on YouTube, if it is on private or in public playlist, right? And how you can also create or add to a new playlist. If this video was helpful to you, please do well to subscribe, like and share. See you on the next one. Thank you.